Well, hello everybody. Want to do a quick video on my solar water heater that helps heat my aquaponics. You can see it in the background there. That is 20 foot long, 4 foot wide, made out of cpvc plastic and painted black. It's fastened down on some roofing tin, and it fits perfectly right in those grooves. And I just use screws and fasten it down and put caulking on there to get it some adhesion to the metal behind it to help with the heat transfer. But it will, well, depend on the clouds and everything. It'll do 70 degrees to 150. I've had it, I think, about 180 at one time. It was really, sun was focused right directly on it. Right now, this is mid-January, so the sun's not as focused on it. But it circulates from the top there and runs down to the bottom. This tank over in the far corner has the pump in it, and let me show you a temperature on that. Alright, circulates, pumps down in here in this tank here, comes up through here, and this goes, these lines here go to the stove, over to the rocket mass heater, and then during summertime this main line here goes up to the chilling wall, and that runs down there and helps cool it. So wintertime I use it for heat, and it heats up the water in this tank, and then there's a coil of PEX tubing in here that runs over to the fish tank, so the water is circulated through there, and that's how its heat is exchanged. Let me see if I can do a reading on it and see where the temperature is right now. Okay, so right now it's 105.9. That's what the temperature is coming out of this tube right here. And then these are ones that come back from the stove, and the stove's not running, but it is circulating water through there, and it still gets 85 degrees on it. Now on this side, the water runs back through here, and it will go, I can shut it off and run it through this tank over here, so it's a separate coil where this goes into this end tank over here. So here's the heater tank exchanger, so I've just got PEX, half-inch PEX running through there, and that exchanges the heat out through that, and that circulates through the rest of the tank there. Okay, well, that's just a quick clip on solar water heater. Pretty much free energy. I got a pump that I've got to run for the fish anyway, so it runs through that. Works pretty good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, or if you have any comments, let me know. And if you had any questions, I don't know if putting glass over that there would intensify the heat or not. If anybody knows, I'd be interested in seeing about that. Thanks a lot.